Good morning, children, and welcome to Tuesday's spelling lesson. So the date is the 23rd of the 2nd, 2021, and our learning objective, which is the same as yesterday's, is to learn homophones and near homophone spelling words. And today we will be learning the rest of our spelling words for the week and getting to know their meaning, because there is no point in learning spellings if we don't know how to use them in language or how to use them in our writing. So how are you going to be successful in achieving the learning objective today? You'll be able to know what a homophone is, you'll be able to know the meaning of the words that we are learning, and you'll be starting to learn these words, because for the rest of the week we will be applying our revision strategies to help us learn them. But of course we need to know what our words are first. So recap from yesterday, what is a homophone? Can you remember? Remember, this means the same and this means sound. So how can you put that into a sentence to explain what a homophone is? Pause the video now and have a go at either explaining to your adult if there's someone with you, or if there's not, that's fine. Just have a go, think to yourself, or if you want to write down your definition, that's absolutely fine and up to you. Okay, let's see. So this means that they sound the same or similar, but have different spellings. So a homophone sounds the same, near homophone sounds similar, but they have different spellings and different meanings. So again, here's our example, peace and peace. So if you listen to the two words, peace and peace, they sound the same, don't they? But then when you read the words and how they are spelt, it gives us information about the meaning. And when we think about the meaning of these two words, we are reminded that they are very different things. Okay? Now, just to go over yesterday's work, I was blown away by this child's fantastic responses. Now, not everybody did the challenge questions, and that is absolutely fine because you always learn on your level. So I said only do the challenge questions if you really have a good understanding of the words. And if you didn't, that was absolutely fine because we were able to feed back to you and see via your team's quizzes. But I just wanted to share with you this child's learning, and this is Malir's work. Thank you so much, Malir and family, for giving us permission to share this. Malir, we were so impressed with how you took the root words and you added suffixes on to change the tense, and just the quality of your sentences as well, because you're not only applying your understanding of the spelling words, you're also applying your writing skills, knowledge and understanding. So Sam's mother, apostrophe for possession, the mother of Sam, was grating. So he's taken the word great, he's applied his spelling rule. Tasty yellow cheese, noun phrase there. He has really clearly shown he understands the word grating and the meaning behind that. And again, Jack got a certificate because he was great in his learning this week. He's gone ahead and used a conjunction. He's shown us that he understands how to use the word great in a sentence. Fantastic. And again, the grass outside my window grows very quickly because it gets lots of sunlight. So he has added an S onto grows. He has used an adverb and a conjunction. Again, grown, he's added that suffix on, ing, and a conjunction. Here, this sounds lovely. I'd love a cake. My daddy bakes plain cakes, which I like very much. And I like to travel in the Boeing 737 plane because it's very famous. And just notice as well the use of the capital letter for the proper noun. So through using our spelling words or our spelling words as the root and then changing them, he is demonstrating that he really understands the meaning of them. So I hope this inspires some of you who are sometimes a bit unsure about whether to do a challenge or how to approach them, just how far you can go with it. And if this looks quite tricky for you, again, that is absolutely fine. These challenge questions are optional. We know what you are capable of, and we are so impressed, and we will always feed that back to you when we can see that you have tried with your learning. Okay, that was just as a little recap for yesterday's lesson and to show you an example of some fantastic learning. So thanks again, Malir. Okay, so on to today's words. So here are our spelling words for the whole week. And yesterday we explored the first 3 pairs: great and great, grown and grown, plain and plain. So today we've got the final 4, or the last 2 pairs, which are peace and peace, rain and rain. So as always, let's just delve into the meaning. So peace can be a noun. So the first definition, freedom from disturbance, tranquility. And I've included this picture. This actually came up on Google Images when I typed in peace, because I think that captures, that looks like it's completely free from disturbance and just a complete tranquil, peaceful place. Okay, so that's the noun. It could also mean a state or period in which there is no war or a war has ended. So when a country or countries are living in harmony and there is no fighting or any conflict, they're in peace. And you can often see peace represented in this symbol here, or people doing the peace sign like so. Okay, peace spelt like this. This is either a noun or a verb. So one of the definitions of the noun is a portion of an object or of material produced by cutting, tearing, or breaking the whole. For example, a piece of cheese, a piece of cakes. And here is an image to show you a piece of a puzzle. It is also used as a word to describe a piece of music or written or artistic creation. So you might even often see Miss Fernandez or I saying, oh, what a fantastic piece of writing. Or when we're doing our music lessons, let's listen to this piece of music together. Okay, and that doesn't mean a section of it, that means the whole work of art, composition or creation. Okay, if we're using it as a verb, it is to assemble something from parts or pieces. For example, the dinosaur was pieced together from 119 bones. You might have heard us saying that before. Oh, can you help us piece this puzzle together? And through the context of the sentence, it should tell you whether we are using it as a noun or as a verb. Okay. Next up, we have rain, spelt like this. And it can be a noun or a verb. So obviously, one is the condensed moisture of the atmosphere falling visibly in separate drops. That's just the wet weather that we know. When it is raining, we see the drops of rain. Okay. And as I just said there, when it is raining, that's the verb. So rain falls. It was beginning to rain. And again, you have to listen to the other words in the sentence to see if it is being used as the noun or the verb. And finally, rain spelt like this. And again, a verb and a noun. So we have the verb to hold royal office, to rule as a monarch. So when the king or queen is reigning, that means they are on the throne. In the sentence here, Queen Elizabeth reigns over the UK. So this was her when she was younger, still our reigning monarch now. and as the noun, the period of rule of a monarch. So, for example, the original chapel was built in the reign of Charles I. Now you can pause the video whenever you like. You can flick back to the other parts of the video just to refresh those meanings, because it's really important you listen carefully and try and verbalize these different words. Try and put them into your own sentence before you attempt the quiz, because that will give you a much better understanding. So to consolidate your learning, the same as yesterday, there is a Teams quiz on the meaning of each word. And then we would like you to list down the spellings by hand, just to get them written down and to help your muscle memory. So for the quiz, and I'll say it again, if there are 2 points up for grabs, there will be 2 correct answers. So you have to tick 2 separate boxes. Okay, so look carefully. If there is 1 point, there is only 1 correct answer. So really bear this in mind. So let me just scroll back up in case you still don't have Teams. And if you don't have access, please do message us, because that's where we want all of our remote learning to be now. So there's the first question, second one, and third, fourth, and then we move on to our challenge questions. So write a sentence using the words that we have explored today. And this will help your spelling because you'll be using them in a context. You'll be practicing the spellings by typing them out. If you'd also like to handwrite them, that would be fantastic. And again, it's another opportunity for you to embed your writing skills, knowledge and understanding, your grammar skills, knowledge and understanding, your punctuation skills, knowledge and understanding, and just really show off your understanding of these words in context, your vocabulary skills. Okay, you'll find so many links between all of our lessons. So reading and writing will have links, vocabulary and our SPAG lesson will have links. And remember, when we go back to Malia's work at the start, you use all those exciting words and sentence structures. You do your learning on the level that suits you. Okay, so good luck today. We're all so proud of you, and we can't wait to see how you get on with your spelling today. Bye.